Exciting news! ElevenLabs, a cutting-edge AI voice-generating tool, has just made its sound effects feature available to the public, previously only accessible through early access signups. With this innovative tool, you can enter a text prompt describing the sound you want, and ElevenLabs will generate it for you. Let's give it a try. To get started, you'll need a subscription. ElevenLabs offers various plans, including a free version, but keep in mind that a paid subscription is required for commercial use of the generated sound effects. To access the sound effects feature, simply head to the sidebar and click on Sound Effects. From there, you can start experimenting with text prompts and generating unique sound effects. Let's start with a simple example, generating a ticking clock sound effect. This will cost 200 characters, and ElevenLabs provides 4 generations per prompt. You can listen to each generation, download the file, and store it in your history for future reference. Let's listen. It's crucial to save your generations, as they will be lost if not stored. However, you can always delete them later if needed. To customize the sound effect, let's explore the settings. By default, the length is automatically set, but you can disable this option and manually adjust the length of the sound effect. For instance, I'll increase the length to the maximum of 22 seconds. The minimum length is 4 seconds. You can also adjust the prompt influence slider, which controls how closely the generated sound effect matches your original prompt. This is useful when you want to give the generator more creative freedom, especially if you're unsure how to exactly describe the sound effect. Keep in mind that adjusting the length setting affects the generation cost, with this new generation costing 880 credits. As expected, the length of the audio track matches the 22 seconds I selected. Let's take another listen. Before moving on to the next generation, I'll make sure to save the files. You can access your saved sound effects under the History tab, where they're labeled with the prompt and date generated. Next, let's generate some more sound effects. I'll start with a sound effect for when a player loses a video game. These sound effects are really impressive, and I can easily imagine them being used in a video game. Now, let's try generating a futuristic camera flash sound effect. For this one, I'll set the length to 5 seconds. Let's take a listen. I prefer the first and last generations, but the others didn't quite meet my expectations. Upon further review, I noticed that some tracks have periods of dead silence, which I attribute to setting the length to 5 seconds, likely too long for a camera flash sound effect. Leaving the automatic length setting enabled might be the best choice, though it doesn't guarantee silence avoidance. Let's have some fun and create a chilling sound effect, a little kid's laughter that sends shivers down your spine. I'll let ElevenLabs automatically determine the best length for this track. And wow, these sound effects are exactly what I had in mind. They're perfect for instilling fear in someone watching a horror movie. And here are some additional sound effects I created. Next, I wanted to try something more exciting, so I asked Meta AI to craft a prompt for a sound a dragon might make. And boy, did it deliver! The prompt reads, "Generate a sound effect for a massive ancient dragon awakening from a deep slumber." The sound should start with a low, rumbling growl, building into a fierce, ear-piercing screech and ending with a series of thunderous roars that shake the ground. Incorporate elements of crackling flames, scraping claws, and a hint of mystical, otherworldly energy. Make it sound powerful, intimidating, and awe-inspiring. I decided to use the prompt as is and see what would be generated. I also maxed out the prompt influence setting because I wanted to see just how closely the generator would adhere to the prompt. And wow, that bass is intense. It sounds like something straight out of a movie. What's more, the sound effect perfectly followed the prompt, even capturing the crackling flames and thunderous roars at the end. I'm thoroughly impressed. Now you're probably thinking, this is good, but I can find free sound effects online. And you're right, free sound effects are available. But sometimes you just can't find what you're looking for, whether it's free or paid. That's where this tool comes in. With it, you can create custom sound effects to enhance your projects and even sell them on marketplaces like Audio Jungle. Plus, you can use these sound effects to elevate your content on platforms like TikTok and YouTube. So, what do you think about this tool? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thank you for watching.